Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have something extremely special. This is the 2023 Toyota GR Corolla Morizo edition. I might be mispronouncing that, but I believe that's correct. There's only 200 of these, which is absolutely insane. And when you start looking at what this car is, it's absolutely mind-blowing. You have forged carbon fiber on the roof of a Corolla, and it's a two-door. Here, this is forged carbon again, where the window switches would be. Like, this thing is just insane. Now, more torque, turbocharged 3-cylinder. This thing is just, I can 100% feel the difference. Shorter gear ratios, again, with that forged carbon where the window switches would be, and your limited edition badge. 161 of 200. All right, look at the shift knob, Alcantara everywhere. Alcantara steering wheel. This is something special. Red seat belts, Alcantara armrests. One thing with the other GR Corolla I drove, I said materials weren't up to snuff with the Civic Type R. That all changes with this car. Yes, some of the dash plastic's a little, well, no, this is soft touch, but that's harder. Nope, this is all soft touch. Right here is, and no, okay. So I don't know if I was mistaken or what. I don't know if it's just the interior design, whatever. But this car is definitely way nicer than I remember. And with all these little touches, it's pretty impressive. Obviously, competing with the Civic Type R, this one has all-wheel drive going for it. So in New England, this is probably going to be the better choice. Definitely has a lot more rally car DNA than the Civic Type R. You also have rev match, downshifts, IMT, intelligent manual transmission. I'm going to leave that off. I want to see what this is like without it. This thing is just it is sensational. We're in a hot hatch revival right now. I can 100% feel that added torque. Oh, rev match is a pleasure in this. This all-wheel drive system just absolutely rips out of corners. And I'm in the 30-70, 30 front, 70 rear. And even so, I really have no fear of this rear end stepping out on me. But what I can instead feel is rotation. I can feel the rear rotating the car through the corner. It's not gonna kick out on me, but what it's gonna do is kind of gently move the rear of the car around the corner. It sounds like I'm talking about sliding, but I'm not. Even when I try to get this thing to rotate, it just doesn't want to. Oh man, Adam, thanks for letting me drive this thing, man. This thing, yeah, honestly, I don't know which one I'd take, Type R or this. They're both similar but extremely different in their own ways, and this thing's just an animal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.